what the heck is up, my Atlanteans? So I know like a lot is going on right now. Like you can tell my hair is blue now. I'm wearing this cap. I swear to God, it's not for fashion. It's literally just because my hair is doing something else. And if you think I look a little oily, it's because I am. I have tried to film this video like multiple times. Not this particular video, I just mean like another video. So I've been gone for a really long time, as we all know. That's because I was in Brazil. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna do this really quick, but I'm about to do some doll hunting in Brazil. I'll let you know what it looks like, but so far it's looking really freaking expensive. Like this is a $30 doll in Canada, or $40, and here it's $349, which technically it's like $349 for them, but I guess in Canadian it's how much?
Around $90.
$90 for this. I'm specifically on the hunt for Monster High and the new Barbie movie dolls. Okay, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be freaking expensive, but that's okay. But there's lots of toys that like we've never seen before. Like, what the fuck is that? Spirit. Oh my god, bitch, there's trolls here. Y'all, I freaking found them. Latin America. Frankie, only Frankie and Claudine here though. So, should I get one at each? Can I get this one?
Is this the one you want the most?
I want all of them. I have to get all of them because they're exclusive here. I'll get this. I'll get Frankie for now. He'll go. So I'm gonna choose the prettiest one. I was in Brazil for about a month and a half, and I arrived July 13th? Something like that, like about 2 or 3 weeks ago from the time I'm filming this. And since then I've been going back and forth, like how do I want to come back to my channel, how do I want to come back to making videos. I just decided I'm just gonna pick up where I left off. Last video I opened a few Barbie dolls. So obviously the Barbie movie has come out. We're all going through our Barbie phases, that's okay. I'm not going to speak too much on the Barbie movie because, you know, like, strike. But I'll say, if you are a human, you should go watch this movie. Highly recommend. Like, I was sobbing. Let's get right into this. I'm gonna try to do this before my camera dies. So here is, her name's Gloria in the movie, but they don't call her Gloria in the movie. Like, they didn't give her a name. And there isn't really a name on the box either, so I don't know. I mean, it is Gloria at the end credits, but like, I do already have the Perfect Day Margot, which is one of the basic ones. This girl was, I think, originally like $80 Canadian. Thank God I found her for like $61 on Amazon. I did get her for like a pretty good deal, I'd say. Like, I won't say the best deal, but a lot better than $80, I'll say. Yeah, I did find her on Canadian Amazon. The reason why I wanted this one so much, because I could have skipped any of them. I could have taken all of them or skipped any of them, but the only other one I really wanted was the Gloria doll, because I am a big, me and Alex are giant America Ferrera fans. We're going back to like Sisterhood of the Traveling Pants, Superstore, Ugly Betty. We just love America Ferrera, and like I have plans to possibly turn her into Ugly Betty and maybe getting a second one. I mean, I think I should get a second one before I do that. Okay, let's get right into opening her. So I guess technically this is a collector Barbie, and this is actually my first Barbie doll to come with a certificate of authenticity. That's cool. Barbie the movie. This certifies that your Barbie, the movie doll, was created through the collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. Barbie signature. Oh, so this is a Barbie signature doll. Okay, cool. But I wonder why, like, well, she's not very impressive. It's just a doll in a pink suit. Like, I don't know. I'm gonna continue unboxing her. Okay, so I just got Gloria out of the box, and whoa, she is I'm sorry, you cannot see her at all. So here is what Gloria looks like right out of the box. I have not done anything to her. I'm gonna give you guys like a full raw idea of what you'll be getting once you open the box. So obviously, thank God, her face is gorgeous, especially with this price point. Her hair does feel like saran. I mean, like, I'm not 100% sure, but it is kind of like that waxy feeling. I'm not going to say anything for certain, but it feels nice. Obviously, you could see that her hair is styled in something quite interesting. She has these front tendrils that are swooped up, kind of Tracy Turnblad style. Cute, but I don't know how similar that looks to the movie. Maybe if they like curled it downwards like that, it'd be more... Yeah, that's interesting. This is what her face looks like. I see a lot of people saying that she doesn't look like America herself. I'm sorry, please excuse my nails. I think that, like, just like the Margot Robbie doll, it's kind of like a cross between like a Barbie doll and the actual actor's face, so it's not too like uncanny valley vibes, you know? So I think this is like a nice medium, and I think it's really cute. And I do kind of see America Ferrera in it, personally. She does come wearing gold hoop earrings. Let's see if we could remove them. Oh, hell yeah. Here is Gloria's outfit. As you can see, she does have this little pink tank top, and it's kind of like hemmed at the bottom like a sweater. I think it was meant to be like a sweater type of vibe. Obviously, right out of the box, the jacket is going to be pinned to the shirt. Let me just like remove that real quick. Here's what her jacket looks like. It's made out of like a really nice satin material, like it's quite soft. Love this little blazer she's wearing. It's very nice quality, I'll say, despite it being like a simple pink blazer. Like that we have little pockets. Let's see if the pockets work. I don't know. Okay, so it's kind of like just a flap. Like you can't actually put anything in the pockets, but it's nice that it's like included. We've got 2 darts going down the front, and we have 2 in the back. The lapel is flattened for you, and there are little black buttons all throughout the jacket, so that's cute. Here are her pants. They're like these big pinstripe pink tuxedo pants. She comes with her hand in her pocket, so you know that you can actually put stuff in there. Here are her shoes. They're really cute. They're really fun. I like that they're like colorful. But yeah, they're just like a strappy type of heel situation. And yeah, we do have 2 little slits on the sides. So for the other interesting things we can note, let's try to remove this so we could get a better look at her body. Oh, also the inside of the jacket is actually lined, thank God, and you have the Barbie signature tag. Never had a Barbie like signature doll, so this is very, very fun for me. You can't tell because I'm so warm right now, but I'm very excited. So this is what she looks like without her blazer. Beneath the tank top, she has like a little sticky, tacky something or other that's holding the pants up to her body, which I find kind of weird. You could peel it off, but I'm not gonna try to do that just in case I like destroy it or something. You can see she is using a petite Barbie body, and it is made to move type of body too, which I also have never had, so that's really cool to me. Wow. Okay, so I love how we have these little pieces of cardboard kind of covering up parts of her leg, like the parts of the leg that would be touching the pants in packaging. That's to kind of prevent the dyed fabric from transferring onto her skin. It does feel kind of luxe, like the fact that this is an America Ferrera Barbie. Also, like, all of these tiny little details are so well painted. Her face is really well painted. All of the pieces feel really high quality, and they do have like the quality control aspect with the little pieces of cardboard, even though the little sticky thing on the pants is weird. Like, that's another interesting way to keep up with the quality control, I think. And I guess it's been here the whole time, but she does also come with like a little stand. It comes in 3 pieces behind her. We have a basic pink base, and then we have a see-through stem and a see-through waist clip as well. And it does fit her quite nicely, thank God. I'm so glad that the Barbie movie is getting so much recognition. Like, the fact that all of us kind of agree that we've grown out of Barbies, or not, everyone like has some type of history with Barbie. So it's really interesting for everyone to come together and like support this movie and support the dolls as well, because you know, you can't have a Barbie movie without Barbie dolls. And it's like kind of really cool. I mean, in the doll community there are a lot of people that are kind of annoyed by the locals that are just now coming into the doll community. But I think it's great that like our niche is becoming more normalized in a way. Like all of these people on TikTok going out to get themselves a comfort doll, or like all of these, what I resonate with the most, all of these like men going out and all of these men going out and like buying Barbie dolls for themselves and like crying when opening it. Like that's so touching to me, because you know, like my dolls were ripped away from me so fast. So this is like kind of healing my inner child and like healing the trauma. Every time I buy a new doll, that's my excuse. And it's comforting to know that like, because I used to be made fun of for like having like dolls around me, like Bratz dolls, be it Bratz dolls, Barbie dolls, Monster High dolls. So like the fact that like everyone is coming together and like buying dolls for fun, like even because like I check the local Walmart and Toys R Us like pretty much regularly, and like seeing more and more young people going to like look through the doll aisle just like for fun, or like picking up a doll and like going out to buy it. I just think that's like so beautiful, and I think that's so exciting, because that means as a society dolls aren't weird anymore for like older people, like people outside of the age range to buy. Like it's not weird, and it's like actually kind of trendy. Alrighty, y'all, so that is basically the Gloria doll. Obviously, I'm obsessed with her. I love her so much. She will be getting a hair de-glue, and she will be getting a nice Ugly Betty treatment, I think. Let me know what y'all think about this video. Let me know what you think about the Barbie movie. It's not technically promotion if we're like all just conversating about it, right? Let me know what doll in the Barbie movie doll collection you would get yourself. I'll see y'all on the flip side.